Thank you for tuning in today, guys, and I'm going to be showing you how to remove your trunk light from your Elantra. I would show you how to remove this light, but yeah, it's not existent. But we do have one on the other side, so hopefully, you know, this will be a pretty informative video for you guys. So the first thing you want to do is remove these two little bolts on the side here, and you got this piece of cloth that's over the trunk. You need to undo all these tabs and pull this off, and then we go to the next step. Now once you get this piece pretty well removed, you have a couple bolts. They 10 millimeters here. Okay, once you get the two side bolts and the one bolt underneath, this headlight will pop out straight out just like so. Once you get that, you can pretty well untwist your light bulbs. I'm kind of one-handed here, so I can't do that. Can you switch over there? You can get there. There we go. Okay guys, that's pretty much how you remove your trunk light on your Elantra. All it takes is a 10 millimeter and a 4-way to undo them clips. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like. I appreciate it. If you do, think about subscribing to the channel. Enjoy the support, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.